Hi, my name is Holly Drake, and this is my son Cannon, and we've been patients here at Pure Vitality for over a year now. We first came to Pure Vitality a little over a year ago. Some friends of ours recommended that we see Becky. Our son was 6 months old at the time, and we had just started him on solids, and we were noticing that he was having a lot of trouble with certain foods, and we thought possible food allergies. So we brought him in, and we got him tested, and we found that he had dairy, gluten, and corn allergies and sensitivities. So we did an elimination diet with him, and at about a year old, we were able to start introducing those foods back in small amounts, and he's done really well with them. Becky put him on some different supplements and natural remedies to kind of help his little digestive system get back on track. So everything was great. We were all following natural protocols that Becky had put us on, and we were feeling fantastic. And then our hot water heater busted, and it leaked into our basement, and we didn't realize that it had leaked into the basement, gotten under the carpet, and we started to have some mold issues. We found active mold growth in our basement, which is where our son's playroom is. It's where our TV family room is, and so we were just down there all day. We just all started to feel sick. Sinuses, cough, persistent insomnia. I started dealing with some headache issues, and we didn't know what it was. So we went to see Becky. She found mold in our system, so we had mold remediation done in our home. So we had eliminated it in our house, but we were still dealing with the symptoms. Our son was still dealing with constant head cold, sinus infection, double ear infection, bronchitis. So we came into Becky and we started doing some natural protocols and treatments, and within about a month we were all cleared out of our lungs and our sinuses, ears, and everything. Our son has not had a runny nose since. Neither one of us have. He actually started sleeping again. He had stopped sleeping because the mold was causing him to have insomnia. His personality was changed because of the mold, and once we got it cleaned out of our house, cleaned out of our bodies, he returned back to 100% normal personality, sleeping schedule, eating great, just all around happy little boy again. And my husband and I both felt great again, and it was just nice to have our health restored, to get that mold just cleaned out of our systems. When we first came to Pure Vitality to see Becky, I was very skeptical. I had always been raised. I had been a migraine sufferer my whole life. I took medicines. I went to the doctor, the traditional route, and it just did not work for our son. And so when we came to Pure Vitality, we were very pleasantly surprised. Everything that Becky found in his system or found sensitivities food-wise, when we did what Becky asked us to do, when we followed the protocols, it instantly was better. Like we started noticing a change, and now we bring him in for anything. When he starts to get a runny nose, ear infections, hand, foot, and mouth, we've brought him in for viruses. He was exposed, being a child, to all those things, and we just bring him in, get him on a natural protocol, do some natural things with him, and it always works. And so I am a firm believer in Pure Vitality and Becky and her staff and what they can do. I have a ton of friends who have young children under the age of 5 that are always sick. They're always at the doctor, and Cannon is 2 years old, and I can't remember the last time he went to the doctor. He's only ever been on one antibiotic in 2 years. By following Becky's protocols, keeping him on these natural supplements that he takes every day to help his immune system and help fight off different bacteria and the common stuff that children pick up, has been amazing for us. He's got to enjoy his childhood instead of sitting in the doctor's office every day. As a mom, it's amazing to know that I have somewhere that I can go anytime that he gets sick, that he will get exactly what he needs to feel better and get back to being a happy little boy.